Today we'll be going over how to 3D print and fabricate a heart-shaped lamp. Top portion is 3D printed and bottom portion is fabricated out of plywood. For this project, you'll also need one Arduino board, 2 red LEDs, 2 blue LEDs, 4 330 ohm resistors, 1 push button, 1 10K ohm resistor. I started off modeling this heart-shaped portion of the lamp in Rhino Grasshopper. I exported it as an STL and sent it to the 3D printer. I've provided that file format to you guys and it is in the description. Then I worked on the schematics for hooking up the 4 LEDs to the Arduino. I first connected the 5-volt and ground to the breadboard. I added my 4 LEDs. To each long side of the LED, I added a 330 ohm resistor that is then connected to power. Then the other side is connected to a digital button, so I used digital pin 2, 3, 4, 5 for my LEDs. Then for the button, the one leg is connected to a power, and then the other leg is connected to a 10K resistor that is then connected to the ground connection. The digital pin 7 is connected to the resistor side of the button. Those are the bones to how I constructed the heart-shaped LED with the plywood base, controlled via Arduino. It is a very simple tutorial with one button. It's a pretty easy starter project if you'd like to get involved in 3D printing and also Arduino schematics and fabrication. Thank you for watching.